Why do you want to sell?
How much do you need for the property?
What happens if you can't sell the property?
What should I know about this property?
Have you considered listing?
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Yep, where we are turning script readers into pro salespeople.
All right, guys, today's topic, it is 5 questions to ask every seller you talk to.
Yep, number 1, why do you want to sell? Figure out the motivation, guys. You can pick and choose when you want to ask that, but make sure you ask that question. That's going to tell you how serious they are about selling the property.
Next one up, how much do you need for the property? See, I said need, not want. This is just going to tell you the seller's price point of if they're serious and they know, or if they don't know, come up with a plan with them.
Number 3, what happens if you can't sell the property?
Ooh.
Guys, make your lead manager, your follow-up specialist, your acquisition managers, if you are those people, make sure you ask that question every time. That tells you how serious they are. And if you missed their time frame or their motivation, that question might reveal it for you.
Yeah, well said. All right, another question is, what should I know about this property? Or another way to phrase it, tell me a little bit about the property. So that's just going to get you details about the condition.
And notice how that was an open-ended question as opposed to, hey, how many bedrooms do you have?
2.
How many bathrooms do you have?
1.
Guys, don't do that to yourself. Ask an open-ended question. They might fire back like, well, what do you want to know? Then you fire back very simply by saying, I don't know, if someone were to buy your house and they wanted to get a nice feel for the property, what would you tell them? Last one, have you considered listing? The reason why you guys, first of all, it's not a mystery, right? Sellers know that they can list it, maybe rent it out, right? They know that already. But you want to see how serious they are about a cash offer to make sure that you're their only option, right?
This guy's good right here. That's it. Pushing away, you could check out more videos of that, but have you considered listing it is a great way to just push away a little bit so that you're going over ulterior options that aren't just you, so that you don't come off as the sleazy salesman. You're trying to help them. And these are all questions to kind of come to that.
Yeah, and for the most part, guys, most people that can list a property are the same people that's like, hey, I renovated the house last year. It's brand new. Nothing's wrong with it.
Need top dollar, not in a rush.
I want top dollar. I'm not in a rush. I know you're just going to lowball me. All that good stuff. You'd be like, hey, that you're maybe, you know, maybe I will lowball you. Maybe I'm not. Or maybe you should just list a property and get every single cent out of it. Well, I can't do that, Ronnie. Why? Boom. Now you get into your your groove.
There it is, guys. And if you want to see more videos on communication or sales, just check the link in bio of Sales with Jay and Ron.
Pew, pew, pew.